Hello, Danny Brown here from MarineMax in Palm Beach. Here today looking at the new Aviara 32. This is a luxury day boat made by Mastercraft, who've been building boats for over 50 years. This is their new line. This one is powered by twin Ilmore 6-litre 380 horsepower stern drives. As you can see, I just flipped up the rear facing bar stools in the back and aft facing seat. Big L-shaped cockpit seating. Let's step inside. Here at the helm you see a 12-inch Garmin 7 series. You have a Vessel View 7 and then joystick docking. Now we take a look at the enclosed head. And walking forward, nice deep bow area, plenty of seating. This boat is available to view in Palm Beach Gardens, MarineMax. My name is Danny Brown. Feel free to call me 561 800 4339.